Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So now here I have a very easy trick how to create a hyperlink of any text. So now let's see. Here is some text which name is my LinkedIn and it's the link of this name. So let's suppose if I want to create a hyperlink of this simple text my LinkedIn. How to do this? Simply it's very easy. Now in attribute hyperlink section, I am writing is equals to now hyperlink hyp and then click on tab on your keyboard. Then click on this B3 and then plus comma and then click on A3 and then bracket close and press enter. Now you guys see my LinkedIn has been successfully created by the hyperlink. Now click and you can see the result successfully. See, here is my LinkedIn have been opened successfully. So here is a very easy trick to create a hyperlink on Excel or of any text. Thank you very much.